Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn History, Chapter 5, Mass Media and History. Let me make it very clear, children. During the period of, take an example of Shivaji Maharaj, some 400 years back, how people used to be connected with each other. Okay? They used to send a messenger. एक माणूस त्याला दुसऱ्या गावाला पाठवायचं. सपोज एखाद्या घरामध्ये लग्न ठरलंय आणि ती तारीख त्यांना सांगायची किंवा ते इन्व्हिटेशन द्यायचंय, तर हाऊ दे हॅव डन this kind of thing with other villages. They used to send a messenger with message that so and so person is getting married with so and so girl and it is on this date. Okay, so to reach that place, that messenger used to take few hours, few days, few weeks, right? So it was very difficult. Today mass media is so uh, strong, you can say. Within a fraction of second you can send your message through email, through phone call, through messages on mobile, and everything is clearly done. Let's take another example. A few years back there was floods in Gujarat, and in Gujarat the person received a call from USA telling the Gujarati person that there is floods. Narmada is flooded and the water has started entering the surrounding villages. And that person said, no, no, nothing of that sort. It's raining heavily, but nothing of that sort. And then immediately he inquired local people, local calls he made, and he came to know that yes, the Gujarat will be is flooded. Okay, the few villages of Gujarat is flooded. So now mass media is very advanced, but previously it wasn't. Another way of sending message was crier. दवंडी पिटवायचे. कोणाच्या घरी लग्न आहे, कोणाच्या घरी बारसं आहे, कोणाच्या घरी कोणाची तरी डेथ झाली आहे. नाही, डेथ तर काय क्रायर नाही सांगायचा, पण राजाला काही अनाउन्समेंट करायची असेल की लोकांनी एकत्र जमा आणि मला काही अनाउन्स करायचं आहे, तर तो क्रायर, दवंडी पिटवणारा, हातामध्ये एक मेटलचं प्लेट घ्यायचा आणि त्याच्यावर बँग करायचा आणि ही यूज टू टेल एव्हरीबडी regarding this news. Okay, so we are going to learn mass media and history. Let's begin. Introduction to mass media, history of mass media. Why do we need mass media? Critical understand. Why do we need mass media? To be connected with each other, to know about each other, to send messages, to have schools, what is happening around us. For that matter, we need mass media. Critical understanding of the information received through mass media and professional opportunities. Okay, so mass media and professional opportunity. What kind of professional opportunities we are having? You don't think there are certain professional opportunities, like doctor, engineer, lawyer, teachers, army, then political leaders opportunity to be a political leader. You will have to contest election, get elected, and be MLA, MP, whatever. But you don't know that mass media is also having professional opportunities. You can be reporter, you can be journalist, you can be editor, you can run a newspaper. Okay, this way you are having many professional opportunities. Think about it. What could be the method of sending a news to Delhi if there were a famine in Bihar, in the Mughal period. Mughal period, again 400, 500 years back. बिहारमध्ये फेमाईन झालाय, दुष्काळ पडलाय आणि दिल्लीला बसलेल्या मुघल एम्पररला सांगायचंय की we are having famine, we do not have food to eat, please help us. तर हा मेसेंजर बिहार मधून दिल्लीला पोचायला त्याला 1 महिना 1.5 महिना लागणार आणि परत तो राजाला हा एम्पररला हा मेसेज देणार आणि मग एम्परर प्रिपेअर करणार की हाऊ आय एम गोइंग टू सेंड फूड टू बिहार आणि मग ते फूड बिहारला जाणार आणि लोकांना ते पोचणार. यू अंडरस्टँड? सो हे सगळं प्रोसिजर व्हायला से यू नीड say 1-2 months, and that will be too long period. Okay, but now immediately central government sanctions and the food is being reached. You have seen in the news, TV news, famine are there, floods are there, and government is dropping food packets from helicopter. That means within no time it reaches. Bihar, after the Bacha heard the news, we have learned regarding this. 5.1 Introduction to Mass Media. Mass media contains 2 words. Mass is collection of people. Screen sharing, stop share. Just a moment, children. Introduction to, once again, we'll be starting introduction to mass media. Mass media contains 2 words. Mass is collection. Okay, mass means collection. In this context, means an aggregation of people, collection of people. Media means various modes of communication. Just now we discussed about it. Means of communication, you can travel by. That is another. Traveling is another, but to be connected with each other, telephone are there, internet is there, mobile is there, and other traveling is a means of communication. You can travel by sea route, you can travel by roads, you can travel by uh, airways. Okay, so means of communication. In the olden days, a crier would run in the streets, beating drums and crying out important news according to the orders of the king. The news would spread among people by word of mouth. Okay, the crier, दवंडी पिटवणारा, तो हातात एक ड्रम घ्यायचा किंवा मेटल प्लेट घ्यायचा आणि त्याचा आवाज करून लोकांना गॅदर करायचा, and then he used to announce the news which was asked by king to declare. Okay, history of mass media. Printing technology and newspaper were introduced in India after the arrival of British. Okay, till then we used to have messengers who used to take, who used to carry a piece of paper, not piece of paper, but in those days, certain leaves of certain trees and were used as a paper, and on that paper it was written with the ink, that is some kind of juice from some leaves, and it was written on those paper. News through newspaper. Newspaper became the first mass medium of circulating information and knowledge among people. Newspaper is a publication which mainly print news. Newspaper is a publication which mainly prints news, editorials, people's opinion, entertaining or others supplementary content. It is printed and distributed regularly at a definite time. आता newspaper आपल्याकडे daily येतो. There are certain periodicals म्हणतात त्याला, weekly असतात, fortnightly असतात, monthly असतात, 6 monthly असतात आणि yearly असतात, right? But newspaper we get daily. Newspapers provide various local आपल्याच गावातल्या न्यूज, जसं पुणे सकाळ आहे, पुण्यातल्या गोष्टी, पुण्यातल्या न्यूज असतात त्याच्यामध्ये. न्यूजपेपर्स प्रोव्हाइड व्हेरियस लोकल, नॅशनल म्हणजे आपल्या देशाबद्दल, अँड इंटरनॅशनल म्हणजे ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड न्यूज असतात त्याच्यामध्ये. न्यूजपेपर्स आर हिस्टॉरिकल डॉक्युमेंट्स विच रेकॉर्ड करंट इव्हेंट्स. ओके, न्यूजपेपरमध्ये हिस्टॉरिकल डॉक्युमेंट्स असतात विच रेकॉर्ड करंट इव्हेंट्स, म्हणजे आता काय चालू आहे त्याच्याबद्दल माहिती दिली जाते. प्रीकर्सर्स ऑफ न्यूजपेपर. आता प्रीकर्सर्स म्हणजे काय? लेट मी टेल यू व्हॉट इज प्रीकर्सर्स. अ पर्सन, ॲनिमल ऑर थिंग. A person, animal or thing that goes before and indicates the approach of someone or something else. Okay, म्हणजे काय? See, there is one tree. Its name is Bahawa. Okay, yellow color चे असे ड्रॉपिंग काइंड फ्लावर्स येतात. जसं द्राक्षाचा घड कसा असतो तसे ते फ्लावर्स असतात. इट इज ऑफ येलो कलर अँड दॅट ट्री ब्लूम्स बिफोर 4 months प्रायर टू रेन्स. जेव्हा ते म्हणजे हळूहळू फुलायला लागतं आणि जेव्हा ते कम्प्लिटली येलो दिसायला लागतं तेव्हापासून 1 महिन्यावर रेन्स डेफिनेटली येणार असं एक प्रेडिक्शन केलं जातं. दॅट इज कॉल्ड प्रीकर्सर. ओके, किंवा अजून एक असते की कोकिळा ती खूप जोर जोरात ओरडायला लागते, असं म्हणतात की शी इज कॉलिंग रेन्स अँड रेन्स कम्स. ओके, सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज प्रीकर्सर्स ऑफ न्यूजपेपर. Precursors. Now we are going to learn regarding precursors of newspaper. Before the beginning of the Common Era, there was a custom in Egypt of placing inscriptions with royal decrees at public place. राजाचा शिक्का असलेले काही न्यूज ग्रीसमध्ये, इजिप्तमध्ये एखाद्या दगडावर लिहिले जायचे आणि त्याच्या खाली राजाचा शिक्का असायचा. दॅट यूज टू लाईक announcement. That was kind of announcement by king. It used to take place in Egypt, right? Of placing inscriptions with royal decrees at public places. Emperor Ashoka also resorted to similar method to reach out to his subjects. आपल्या प्रजेशी कॉन्टॅक्ट करायला किंवा आपल्या प्रजेशी, सब्जेक्ट्स म्हणजे प्रजा, त्याच्या राज्यातली लोक, सब्जेक्ट्स ते काय करायचे, एखाद्या चौकामध्ये एक मोठा असा दगड असायचा आणि त्याच्यावर हे राजाची अनाउन्समेंट लिहिली जायची. Ashoka also resorted to similar method to reach out to his subjects. In the Roman Empire, royal decrees were written on the papers and those were distributed in all regions. आता रोमन एम्पायर मध्ये काय व्हायचं की ते पेपरवर लिहायला लागायचे. ओके, पेपर इज व्हॉट? पेपर इज नथिंग बट ट्रीज. दॅट इज द रिझन इट इज कॉल्ड सेव्ह ट्रीज, यूज लेस पेपर्स. ओके, decrees were written on papers and those were distributed in all regions. They also contained the information of various events taking place in the nation and its capital. During Julius Caesar's reign, a newspaper known as Acta Diurna, meaning acts of everyday. Okay, म्हणजे न्यूजपेपर जसं पुणे सकाळ I said की रोजच्या लोकल न्यूज असतात तसंच या जुलियस सीझर राजा होता इंग्लंडचा आणि त्याचा ऍक्टा ड्युरिना meaning acts of everyday used to be placed at public places in Rome. It was a very effective way of conveying Julius Caesar. Actually, this is written by Shakespeare. Shakespeare is from England, but Julius Caesar is Roman. Okay, used to be placed at public places in Rome. It was a very effective way of conveying royal commands to people. Royal commands किंवा किंग्स एक्सपेक्टेशन त्याला जे काय कन्वे करायचे लोकांना सब्जेक्ट्स म्हणजे प्रजा पीपल ऑफ दॅट किंगडम राइट bear with my handwriting newspaper known as Acta Diurna meaning act of every day used to be placed at public places. बघा आता we'll take an example. Okay, हे जुलियस सीझर किंवा एम्परर अशोका ते काय करायचे तर चौकामध्ये एक मोठा दगड डिस्प्ले केला जायचा किंवा ठेवला जायचा आणि त्याच्यावर रोजच्या रोज न्यूज ठेवल्या जातात जसं कुसाळकर चौकामध्ये आपल्या इकडे जनवाडीला जाताना कुसाळकर चौक आहे त्या चौकामध्ये एक ब्लॅकबोर्ड आहे आणि त्याच्यावर चांगल्या न्यूज पण लिहिल्या जातात कोणाच्या डेटच्या न्यूज पण लिहिल्या जातात ओके सो इन दिस वे ग्रीस रोम आणि आपल्या इंडियामध्ये किंग अशोका used to use this method to be connected with people. It was just like a newspaper, but circulation of newspaper was not that heavy. Okay, so for that matter मग लोक काय करायचे आपलं काम वगैरे आवरून झाली की चौकात जायचं आणि आज काय घडलंय बघावं आज कोणाकडे काय झालंय काय नाही so people used to gather at the square where the stone huge stone used to be placed and on that stone the news used to be written used to be placed at public places in Rome. It was a very effective way of conveying royal commands to people. In the 7th century CE, Common Era, CE means Common Era, royal dictates were distributed among people at public places. In England, handouts used to be distributed occasionally. म्हणजे handouts म्हणजे handbills म्हणतात त्याला किंवा एखादं छोटंसं booklet छोटासा पेपर की ज्याच्यावर काहीतरी इम्पॉर्टंट न्यूज लिहिलेली असायची असं पाठवलं जातं नाउअडेज न्यूजपेपर मध्ये काहीतरी हे असतं एखादा पेपर सरकवलेला असतो दॅट इज नथिंग बट द ऍडव्हर्टाइजमेंट ऑफ सर्टन थिंग तुमच्या डॉमिनोज पिझ्झाची ऍडव्हर्टाइजमेंट असते त्याचं एक छोटंसं पान असतं लीफलेट म्हणतात त्याला ते लीफलेट असतं आणि त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला समजतं व्हॉट आर द कॉस्ट अँड व्हॉट यू गेट फ्री ऑन बाईंग वन पिझ्झा राईट तसे हे बुकलेट पण ते किंवा हँडबिल्स पण ते डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करायचे Bengal Gazette. Bengal Gazette. Where's Bengal? Here. Yeah. While dictates were distributed among people at public places in England, handouts used to be handouts म्हणजेच handbills ते डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करायचे आणि त्याच्यावर रॉयल डिक्टेट असायचं, म्हणजे राजांनी जे काही लोकांना सांगितलेलं असायचं ते कळायचं. जसं आपल्या स्कूलमध्ये समजा प्रिन्सिपल सरांना काहीतरी अनाउन्समेंट करायची असेल तर ते प्रत्येक क्लासमध्ये जाणार का? नाही. व्हॉट ही डज, ही टेक्स माईक इन हिज हँड अँड द माईक रिचेस टू एव्हरी क्लास, आणि मग त्याच्यातून ते अनाउन्समेंट करतात की टुमॉरो ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ सो अँड सो फेस्टिवल स्कूल विल रिमेन क्लोज, यू विल बी हॅव्हिंग हॉलिडे. Okay, so सगळ्यांना कळलं. That is a means of communication. In this way, principal sir is being connected to you. Bengal Gazette, the first English newspaper of India, was printed on 29 January 1780. It was named as Calcutta General Advertiser. See children, this you can underline as important. Okay, January 1780, it was named as Calcutta General Advertiser. Okay, 2-3 options will be given to you and you will be asked which is the correct. It carries 1 mark. Bengal Gazette, it was started by James Augustus Hickey, an Irish gentleman. Again, James Augustus Hickey, an Irish gentleman, an English gentleman, and a German gentleman. असे 3-4 options दिले जातील and you will have to choose the correct option. So remember this, James Augustus Hickey. You will have to, instead of drawing something on his face, making mustache on his upper lip, you can always remember his name. He is the one who started Bengal Gazette, the first English newspaper in India, and he has given its name. Another name was Calcutta General Advertiser. Okay, so he has started this. Darpan. Darpan means mirror. Darpan, the newspaper Darpan, was started in 1832 in Mumbai. Bal Shastri Jambhekar was the editor of दर्पण. एडिटरचं काम काय असतं, त्याच्याकडे सगळ्या न्यूज येतात आणि मग तो एडिट करतो. मूवी मध्ये पण तुम्ही वाचता एडिटर, काही गोष्टी कट केल्या जातात, काही गोष्टी ऍड केल्या जातात. दॅट कटिंग अँड ऍडिंग वर्क इज बिंग डन by the editor. So editor should be knowledgeable. Take a list of national leaders in the pre-independence period and the newspaper started by them. The news printed in Darpan can be reviewed to know about the political, economic, social, and cultural events of those times. Here are a few news titles as example: the accounts of expenditure from the 3 administrative divisions of the East India Company, the danger of Russian attack on the nation. Third point, appointment of a committee for cleanliness of the city. Fourth point, remarriage of Hindu widows. Fifth, the inception of theatre at Calcutta. Inception means to begin, to start. Inception. Again, cursor is missing. Inceptions means to start. The inception of theatre at Calcutta, achievements of this. When we go up, it goes up. Inception of theatre at Calcutta, achievements of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Just 33 page number 33. Here I am. Do you know Bal Shastri Jambekar is referred to as the first editor by, again this is important, Bal Shastri Jambekar. Cursor is all the time missing. Here. Inception of theatre at Calcutta, achievements of, before that we'll read this box. Do you know Bal Shastri Jambekar is referred to as the first editor by virtue of his being the editor of the first Marathi newspaper. Again, for choose the correct option. This is also important. Previously, the box was only for your knowledge, but this time board says even children has to learn this. This is important. So this gentleman, Bal Shastri Jambekar, he was the first editor, and be proud he was from Maharashtra, आपल्या state मधला आहे. Yeah, this is better. Raja Ram Mohan Roy in England, reporting achievements of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in England, reporting of such news throws light on various historical events of those days. See, in those days, we were having many social problems. To make people aware about these social evils, newspaper played very important role, right? Reporting of, let me tell you regarding Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He was from Calcutta. He was from a royal family, and his bhabi, that means his elder brother's wife, she raised him kind of, because his mother, Raja Ram Mohan Roy's mother, died when he was an infant, and he was raised by his bhabi. But unfortunately, when Raja Ram Mohan Roy was hardly 10, 12 years old, that time his brother dies and his bhabi has to perform sati with, that means she burnt herself. She was sati pratha, you know, it was very evil ritual which used to be prevalent in Indian society. So त्या सती गेल्या, and this small boy has got impact of this evil social काय चालीरीती काय तुम्ही म्हणाल ते, आणि त्याचा इतका त्यांच्यावर इम्पॅक्ट झाला की when he grew up, that time he fought against this sati pratha, and he has stopped legally with that time बेंटिक नावाचं त्यावेळेस कॅलकत्तामध्ये लॉर्ड in charge of that territory, and with the help of Lord Bentinck, he has got he has stopped legally sati pratha. In England, reporting of such news threw light on various historical events of those days. Prabhakar. This newspaper was started by Bhau Mahajan. The history of French Revolution and Shatapatre, the letters by Lokhitavadi Gopal Hari Deshmukh, aimed at creating social awareness, were published in this newspaper. See, now first only the dictate of kings, by crier or by writing on the stone or by sending letters written on the paper, it was limited. This mass media was limited to this. but later on printing press आली आणि त्याच्याबरोबर printing सुरू झालं, leaflet पाठवले गेले लोकांकडे आणि त्याच्यानंतर newspapers आले आणि people came together with knowing each other's places, news and so on. Gnanoday printed the map of Asia in 1842 and the map of Europe in 1851. The honor of printing an illustration in an Indian newspaper for the first time goes to Gnanoday. The news of installation of telegraph used for electrically transmitting a news can be seen in Gnanoday. Okay, electrically transmitting the news. It is one more advanced stage after printing. Electrically ती transmit व्हायला लागली. Okay, मग ती code language असायची, पण ती news त्या particular place ला पोहोचायची live within no time. India was printed in India. The news of the starting of railways in India was printed in Gnanoday under the title Chakya Masoba, meaning Masoba with wheels. It had also printed the news of the Indian War of Independence of 1857. Okay, आपल्याकडे रेल्वे जेव्हा स्टार्ट झाली तेव्हा त्याचं नाव होतं चक्या म्हसोबा. ओके, म्हणजे म्हसोबा wheel वर असलेला म्हसोबा. Okay, newspaper in those times were a very important medium of creating social awareness. A newspaper named Hindu Praksha supported widow remarriages in a big way. Okay, in those days widow remarriages were not there. The child girl used to be widow. Okay, child marriages used to take place, cradle marriages, child marriages used to take place, and unfortunately if the boy dies, the girl who is hardly 10 12 15 years old, she has to lead her life like a widow. She has had to face many problems. She had to lock herself in 4 walls. घराच्या बाहेर नाही जायचं. टॉर्चर म्हणतात, तिचे सगळे केस काढले जायचे because the beauty of girl is her hair, and so she had to live this kind of miserable life. मग ह्याच्यासाठी न्यूजपेपर मध्ये अवेअरनेस जागृत केला आणि विडो रिमॅरेजेस प्रथा परत आपल्या सोसायटी मध्ये आली. दीनबंधू, a newspaper representing the masses of the Indian society, Bahujan Samaj, was started by Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. Phule's close associate Krishna Rao Bhalekar. We get to know about the issues relating to the masses through this newspaper. Do this. Okay, so you got to know newspaper पहिल्यांदा फक्त राजाची दवंडी पिटवली जायची, राजातर्फे दवंडी पिटवली जायची. त्याच्यानंतर हळूहळू कसं प्रोग्रेस झालं ते आपल्याला कळलं आणि त्याच्यानंतर हळूहळू इकॉनॉमिक सोसायटीचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आणि काय आपल्या समाजात सुधारणा व्हायला पाहिजे, व्हॉट काइंड ऑफ रिफॉर्मेशन विल हॅव टू फॉलो, ह्याच्यामध्ये ह्याच्यामध्ये ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आल्या. म्हणजे या न्यूजपेपरचा रोल हळूहळू वाढत गेला. Do this. Let each student in the class bring a cutting of interesting news. Create a journal from the collection of news. Okay, you can do this and I will check it. Okay, Kesari and Maratha. Kesari and Maratha, the 2 newspapers, are indicative of an important stage in the history of Indian newspaper. Before independence, Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Bal Gangadhar Tilak started these papers in 1881. Okay, 100 and say 40 years back, approximately I'm saying. Gangadhar Tilak started these papers in 1881. They spoke about the social and political issues of the period. आता बाल गंगाधर टिळक and गोपाल गणेश आगरकर, सोशल म्हणजे परत तेच आलं, चाइल्ड मॅरेजेस, विडो रिमॅरेजेस, सती प्रथा या गोष्टी आल्या. आणि पॉलिटिकल म्हणजे काय, तर ब्रिटिशर्स वर रुलिंग ओव्हर अस आणि हाऊ वी हॅव टू गेट आवर फ्रीडम बॅक. ओके, या सगळ्या न्यूज म्हणजे लोकांच्या जागृती करण्याचं, टू मेक अवेअरनेस अमंग द पीपल दॅट हा देश माझा आहे आणि ह्या देशावर माझंच राज्य आलं पाहिजे. अशा सगळ्या गोष्टी त्याच्यामध्ये प्रिंट केल्या जायच्या, छापल्या जायच्या. अँड पीपल स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टँडिंग दिस. अदरवाइज दे हॅड टेकन इट की हा हे गोरे लोकच आपल्यावर राज्य करणार. पण नाव त्यांना कळलं की हे गोरे लोकांचं राज्य नाही, त्यांचं ते 7 समुद्र ओलांडून आपल्याकडे आलेले आहेत आणि ते आपल्यावर रूल करतात. ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी न्यूजपेपर मध्ये प्रसिद्ध झाल्या आणि लोकांच्या मध्ये अवेअरनेस निर्माण झाला. The nationwide situation books in the native languages and the politics in England. आता एवढंच नाही तर इंग्लंड मधलं पॉलिटिक्स पण आपल्याला समजायला लागलं आणि आपल्याला कळायला लागलं की सेल्फ रूल गव्हर्नमेंट पाहिजे, म्हणजे आपला देश आहे त्या आपल्या देशावर आपलंच राज्य पाहिजे. In the 21st century, newspapers have continued to fulfill an important role. It was acknowledged the 4th column of democracy. न्यूजपेपर मध्ये कॉलम्स असतात. ओके, जसे आपल्या बुक मध्ये चॅप्टर्स असतात तसे न्यूजपेपर मध्ये कॉलम असतात. आज जरा न्यूजपेपर उघडून व्हॉट इज कॉलम, जस्ट चेक इट. ओके, मॅगझिन अँड जर्नल्स. मॅगझिन्स अँड जर्नल्स आर पिरियॉडिकल. पिरियॉडिकल म्हणजे सर्टन पिरियडचा. मॅगझिन मंथली असतात, फोर्टनाइटली असतात, वीकली असतात. जर्नल पण तसलेच असतात. Publications. This category includes publications which are weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, 6-monthly, annual, etc. There may be some chronicles which are published at no fixed time. म्हणजे काही emergency news असेल त्याला काही fixed time नसतं. Do this. In recent times, many newspapers have introduced e-newspapers. The now आता आपण पूर्वीचं सगळं हे करून मॅगझिन जर्नल पर्यंत आलेले आहोत आपण, आणि ह्याच्यामध्येच न्यूजपेपर मध्ये आपण अजून काय तर ई न्यूजपेपर स्टार्ट केले. The e-newspapers are being received well by the readers. Learn to read e-newspapers with the help of your टीचर्स. या ई न्यूजपेपर आपल्याला मोबाईलवर पण मिळतात. ओके, आपल्याला मोबाईलवर मिळतात, आपल्याकडे लॅपटॉपवर मिळतात, कम्प्युटर्सवर मिळतात. ओके, सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज ई न्यूजपेपर. Bal Shastri Zambekar started the first monthly magazine in Marathi. It was named Digdarshan. Among the periodicals, Pragati, now a defunct, म्हणजे आता functional नाहीये, that is called defunct, which is not functional. Defunct. Defunct is which is not functional, which is not active now. Journal was started in 1929 and edited by Trambak Shankar Shejwalkar. Disagree now, you'll have to remember, okay, and you be grateful because these people have given us a lot many things. Okay, he wrote regularly in this historiographical journal. Let us search and find out. Apart from the journals cited above, there are many more journals related to research and history published in Marathi, Hindi, and English by various institutions and universities. Search and find out about them with the help of internet. Of course, you can search on internet all these things. Previously, काय होतं, आता काय आहे, you will come to know. पहिले फक्त black and white असायचं, आता colored पण आहे आणि news are expanded, right? Journals of महाराष्ट्रा's history and social movement. नाव आता ह्या सगळ्या न्यूजपेपर मध्ये थोडी थोडी आपली हिस्ट्री पण एंटर झाली. त्या हिस्ट्री कडे बघून लोकांच्यात अवेअरनेस आला आणि they started thinking about how we are going to get freedom. Currently, there are many periodicals devoted to Indian history. Marathi journals such as Bharatiya Itihas आणि Sanskriti and Marathwada Itihas Parishad Patrika may be cited as example. May be cited means may be given as an example. Cited. Cited may be cited as example. Citation म्हणजे त्यांनी केलेलं declaration. Okay, citation. Cited as example. Electronic or digital journalism. There are ultra modern periodicals form a part of electronic or digital journalism. History is a prime subject of interest for these periodicals as well. Many web news portals, social media, web channels, YouTube, etc. make historical connect available to the audience readers. See, children, how step by step we have progress right from crier to this electronic digital newspaper, journals, their citation in the form of historical periodicals and so on. Radio, of course, it is a very important and which can be affordable for poor people. Indian Broadcasting Company, IBC, a private radio company, was the first one to broadcast daily programs. Later, the same company was taken over by the British government and named as Indian State Broadcasting Service, ISBS. On 8th June 1936, it was renamed as All India Radio, that is AIR. After independence, AIR, All India Radio, became an integral part of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting India. For your information, let me tell you the declaration of our independence was announced by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru at the midnight of 14th of August 1947. That means to be connected with Indian people. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, he announced it on the air, that is All India Radio. Initially, it broadcasted governmental programs and schemes. It was named as Akashvani on the suggestion of the famous poet Pandit Narendra Sharma. Akashvani down. Broadcast various entertainments, awareness creating and literary programs. It also broadcasts special programs for farmers, workers, the youth and women. The Vivid Bharati programs are broadcasted in 24 regional languages as well as 146 dialects of Indian languages. Dialects means spoken language of Indian languages. Lately, various new channels like Radio Mirchi are providing radio services. Today we'll stop here. Will be continue next time in next lecture.